Okay, Micromod Dude here again with the special unboxing of my brushless gimbal, and basically I'll be using this on my drone and mounting it on the bottom of the drone to give some really good stabilization with my 4K action camera. And of course this is a drone I got it really fast. I got it from banggood.com, ordered a week ago from China, and I got it extremely quick, so really impressed with how fast they actually shipped it here to the States. Not sure how they did it, but got here in a week, and I didn't have to pay for extra expedite shipping or anything like that. So basically, here's a quick unboxing, and like you can see, it's just a simple gimbal, nothing fancy, no, $300, nothing like that. I got this for dirt cheap. So cheap that I almost got half the cost that I would buy it here in Amazon in the United States. So that's why I took the chance and ordered it from Banggood instead of Amazon, which always has the option to return it if you don't like it. But I got it for $38, which is a really good bargain. It was about 58, almost 60 bucks on Amazon. So as you can see here, it's basically a simple gimbal, 2-axis gimbal that basically mounts on your drone, I believe like this, somehow like this. How does this thing go? Well. I'm gonna have to figure this out. Well, I know it mounts this way, but this seems really weird looking. Is it 3-axis? Huh. So I'm gonna have to figure this thing out. But basically, here's the controller for the gimbal. It comes with the main. I believe it charges with a 2-cell battery, but it also has. I think it has up and down, side by side action here. Where is it at? So I think with these here, I could actually mount it and control it with the transmitter to go up and down, left and right. So let's see what else is in this packaging here. Okay, so basically, oh yeah, so here's the wire connectors. This is to wire it up to your drone to make it go up and down, left and right. Little extra strap to mount it, and a bunch of little extra. So these are the actual little stabilizers, gimbal stabilizers to mount it on the drone. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to mount this damn thing. And then there's a little bracket. So yeah, not as easy as I thought it would be. Plug and play, definitely not. Okay, so here we finally have the gimbal installed, and boy did it take some major modifications to get this bad boy put in here. But basically, my little rig job that I did here, you can see there, had to use special mounts, some glue, some all kinds of mods to make it, screw it in. But it actually pops in and out. However, I need to remove it, and yeah, it looks like it fits perfect. As you can see here, also I got some longer skids here that I got on Amazon. This is a Cymark brand, I guess, I don't know. And then you can also see on the top here, I also have my FPV mod on the top. Right here, got a Foxshare camera hooked up with a 800 mega amp transmitter right there to do some FPV action. So yeah, this is going to be really cool. Take it up in the air. So let's see how the gimbal. I'll just do a quick table test so you can see how it works. Basically, the battery strapped here. This will go down here, connect it here, and it'll just lock in. And bring it out this way. As you can see, basically any which way you move it, it'll stay in place. So yeah, it works pretty cool. See that? Yeah, pretty cool action there. See that? Nice action there. Nice action. So again, if you're flying in the air, this would stay really steady no matter which way. The only thing I noticed that if you go a little bit too far, it'll start to vibrate. See that? So there's a certain angle limit that you can take it with this camera with this gimbal before it starts to go haywire. So the right side, not too bad. Left, the right side, there starts to, even if you go back too much, oh, not this time, interesting. basically there it is. So yeah, it seems to work pretty good. It's got some servo connectors up here in the front that I will hook up also, and I ordered some special servo wires that'll actually plug into the bottom of the gimbal down. Where is it at? Oh, it's gonna go crazy. Oh, shoot. You just saw how that worked. So be careful on that. You don't want to mess it up, burn it out. So always unplug it before you take it off. Bam, unplugged. And then, where's my other servo connectors? So down here, yeah, here it is. So here I got some servo connectors. So I could use this to basically control. I'm not sure how it'll work with this gimbal. Basically, there it is. So, got it installed, got the new landing gear longer so keep it from hitting on the bottom. Hopefully this will perform beautifully up in the outer space arena and take it a cruise around the park and whatnot. So again, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and most especially don't forget to subscribe, as you know, YouTube changed the new rules that you need 1,000 subscribers now to get paid. I think I have enough video content but not enough subscribers, so definitely appreciate any all subscriptions. Thanks and have a good day. Peace.